Yo, so I'm driving on the way to my storage unit to get my Lexus, and this dude is driving this slammed, what is this, LS 400? Just throwing sparks everywhere, bro. Yo, if you're watching this, dude, I think your exhaust is hanging a little bit low, but I dig your car, and hit me up so we can go shred sometime. Oh yeah, and your taillights are not on. Yeah, this motherfucker's got 4-angle steering. Boy, a little altercation, but he's got new wheels coming. He actually ordered Cosmos like mine, except for they're white, and he's got all new suspension parts for it. So this thing's gonna be pretty good pretty soon. He's got like seats coming, a hydro. He's got Crown Carbon crafting fenders over there. This thing's gonna be pretty dope.
Yeah, louvers, bright seats.
Oh man. Yeah, I drove the Lexus over here. He also got this pretty fucking clean BMW. This is Adam. This is Spencer. But yeah, so we're gonna do some work to his car.
Nope. Damn. So this is what you guys are doing tonight, or just weekend? You gonna do this whole thing tonight?
No, definitely not.
Why not?
We're gonna at least get him on there, like mock him up, and probably, I don't know if he's got a drill and all that shit, but we're gonna maybe like get the holes drilled and all that so he can take the fenders to get painted. But yeah. Got a table set up.
Got the wheelchair
What the
out.
fuck are you doing now?
Probably pulling out more wheelchairs.
Compressor?
Oh, we got a compressor.
Compressor, that's what's up.
It's missing the components, but it'll do.
Hey, what?
Do you have the hose for that?
Oh,
No, this is my expansion tank.
oh, you're just gonna kind of
4x4.
flow it over?
Yeah.
That's pretty dope.
Huh. Interesting.
Modern day MacGyver.
Motherfucker set up like a whole sawbuck table.
Fucking sturdy.
There, bud.
Yee.
Here's that G35 wheel for your brother.
Yes.
It's not balanced.
I'll balance it.
Boy.
No, put it on the back.
If you guys haven't seen Crown Carbon crafting fenders, look them up for the G, the Z. They look great on these fucking cars, dude. Yeah, and this dude's got a fucking brought his oven out. His little pizza oven out to the fucking garage,
hungry, dude.
making a pizza. Boy. That's great. Sitting over here, peeling all this stupid tape off, jamming out to some old school Dead Mouse. God, this tape sucks, dude. Thank you, sir. Tape's kind of a pain in the dick, dude. If it's like really stuck to it, it sucks. So a lot of times with these kits, they don't line up 100%. In this one situation, you can see there's a gap in there, and it's because it's hitting back here. So what you want to do is slightly trim it so it fits the body better. All right, guys. So I got fiberglass dust all in my beard, all over my shirt, because like I said, on these kits, a lot of the time you have to trim them so they fit right. You can see this one is lining up pretty damn good. Adam here is marking out where he wants to do the rivets and the holes. Yeah, and I went ahead and I got the rear one taped on. Pretty damn good. This tape kind of sucks wang, but you get the idea. Yeah, it doesn't even stick to the paint hardly, but it's there. This thing's gonna be so fucking wide, dude. Like, this car stock is as wide as my Lexus is with my body kit, or my wide body. So this car is going to be like way wider than my car. These are 50 mil carbon crafting fenders, so hell yeah. All right, guys, so we're kind of facing a dilemma. The fenders are fitting fine, that's not a problem, but he needs to get these painted still. So we're trying to decide. We kind of have a screw in here for now because he didn't have rivets. But the thing is, he wants them to be on the car before they get painted. But we don't want to have to drill this after it's painted. So we're thinking maybe just use self-tappers, because if we use rivets right away, we'll have to drill out all the rivets to take them back off, which is kind of a pain. So what we're thinking is using some small self-tappers for now, and then after they're painted, we'll replace those self-tappers with rivets. I don't know, what do you guys think? Let us know. Yeah, he's back here marking up the back ones for the holes, and yeah. Alright guys, so I guess I'll finish this video here as I'm driving home. Yeah, so I'm gonna go back and finish helping him install all of his parts and all that in the upcoming weeks. So if you guys want to watch, like, by all means, let me know. Like, if this is the kind of stuff you guys are into, like, awesome. I'm gonna post it anyways. So, but yeah. So if you like this video, obviously hit the like button. Maybe leave me a comment. If you have any input on what we should do for mounting those fenders, let me know. But yeah, I'll probably upload another video soon, so I guess we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks.